Well, here she is. She is back and all put together again. Frankie has been fixed. The fairings have been replaced. Some bits of scratches have been redone. The foot peg was replaced, and I'm taking her for an MOT. It was due anyway, but it's good to do it after the accident. So it is good to be back. It took a little bit longer than expected because there were some bits that I had to do that I had never done before, like remove the upper fairing and remove some of the bits that I hadn't done before. And then parts took a little bit longer to arrive than originally expected. And then I hurt my back a week ago, and it's been difficult even just to walk, sleep, or put socks on. So I'm feeling a little bit tender and sore, tired and cranky. But yeah, everything got done little bits at a time. And today I put the final side fairings on, make sure everything was working okay. And yeah, now we're on our way to the MOT testing station. Make sure she has a certificate for the next year. It is always due in September anyway, and it just so happens to coincide with getting fixed after I got rear-ended. Please don't rear-end me, not again. Just goes to show, having an accident, sometimes there's absolutely nothing that you can do. Things just happen. It doesn't matter how much advanced riding you've done. Sometimes you have a lapse, or sometimes somebody else has a lapse. In my case, I was in traffic. It was slow moving traffic, but I think I got distracted by something on the side road or whatever. The car in front of me was stopped when I wasn't expecting it. She had braked suddenly. I braked suddenly. I avoided hitting the car in front of me, but the car behind me didn't stop as quickly and ran into the back of me and forced me into the car in front of me. Thankfully, I tried to avoid being placed right down the center of my lane. I tend to be either to one side or the other at all times. I was off to the left, so I got hit the car in front, fell to the left, and yeah, the car that was behind me nearly hit the car that was in front of me. Just shows you that if I had been in the middle, it could have been a lot worse. I didn't avoid the accident, but I avoided more severe consequences, shall we say. Which lane are we taking? Path of least resistance. So even though I wasn't able to avoid the accident, at least I mitigated the consequences. But mechanically, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the quack. Brakes work, frame is undamaged, forks are undamaged, wheels are undamaged. It's all cosmetic. Now, that doesn't mean that it wasn't written off. It was written off because the plastics that got damaged are quite expensive, and I'm not replacing all of them. I'm only replacing a few of them, and I'm not replacing the exhausts that got a bit of scratching on them. Come on, wakey. So I am going to live with some scratches, but I am going to keep the bike. Now, the insurance obviously looked at the overall cost of replacing everything with new and deemed that it was not economical to repair, which I can understand. But I would rather take a little bit less money, keep a bike that I already know, that I already trust, that I've already set up for me, than having to take the insurance money in full and then have to spend even more money to buy another bike, and then having to spend even more time to sort out all of the additional customization things that I'd want to have sorted out. So in my mind that kind of worked as to what I wanted to do and I wanted to get out of it. Other people might have taken a different decision, but everybody is different. Just be careful out there, folks. Be careful out there, is all I'm going to say. We are not far from the MOT testing station. It's just off here. I don't know why I haven't come to this before. I've used other ones further away, based on recommendations from other people, but I should have researched it better. Anyway, let's see how these guys are. Alright, quite a lot of traffic on Saturday morning. Anyway, I will catch you later after the MOT has been done, and maybe show you around what is fixed and what still isn't fixed on the bike. But it feels good to be riding Frankie again, that's for sure. There we are. Right here?
Yeah, it's fine. Just 5-10 minutes and we'll book you on, okay? Yeah,
Sorry, I can't hear you right now.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, first time I stopped at the other one, he was asking around.
You phoned at 11:30, yeah? There we go.
Now I can hear you.
Yeah, 11:30, yeah?
Yeah, that's me, yeah. So here she is, still a bit dirty. Got a thing there from a previous fall. It's a bit dirty, hasn't been washed in a while. The upper fairing has been changed. This tray here, this black bit here, had to be replaced because it broke. It was cracked in quite a few places. Those are the only two things that are new, apart from the little pop rivets and well nuts that go with it. So all this had to come off, mirrors had to come off. I used some videos that I found on YouTube that were quite good at showing us how to replace it, how to remove and reinstall. And yeah, the scratches here I just painted over, scratches on the lever and on the handlebar, and the footrest is replaced. That bit there, this bit here, if you ever crash it and it cracks off, keep that bit, because that's sold separately. It comes separate. So there's that metal bit is one thing, the rubber thing is another thing, and the hero blob is separate. So keep that if you ever have yours broken. The only thing I'm looking to replace now, the end cans, but I'm looking to see if I can get somebody to donate me one for free. I've been offered one, but it's a bit, I suspect it's a bit far away. So the guys at Bacon's are going to see if they have one, if they have some that they can give to me. This needs to be adjusted, needs to be rotated a little bit. That's it. Well, good news. She has passed the MOT, so we're all good, all legal, certified for the next year. Just the horn is playing up again. Okay, can't hear. Need to adjust that screw again. It's going to be becoming quite annoying. Don't know if there's a problem with the horn or what, but yeah, bit of a pain. So it's when it gets hot. When it gets hot, it stops working. Very annoying. Anyway, that was it. Bike's back at the road. It's fully legal. It's all done. And yeah, I am keeping her for a little bit longer. So if you are interested in seeing how things progress with this bike, and if I have any other issues, then it would really help if you could give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. It all helps with the channel growth, and it all helps me make more content. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. For now, very happy noob is out.